Hello everyone, today we're going to learn how to use the snipping tool to take screenshots on your computer. Whether you need to capture a snippet of your screen for work, school, or personal use, the snipping tool is your go-to utility. Let's get started. First, open the snipping tool. You can find it by searching for snipping tool in the start menu search bar. Once found, click on it to open. Once the tool is open, you'll see an option to choose the type of snip you want to take. You can select from rectangular snip, freeform snip, window snip, or full screen snip. For most uses, rectangular snip is ideal as it allows you to capture a specific area of your screen. After selecting your snip type, click New. Your screen will then fade slightly, indicating you can select the area you want to capture. Click and drag your mouse over the area you want to snip. After you release the mouse button, the captured image will open in the snipping tool window. Here, you can make annotations or highlight parts of the screenshot. Once you're satisfied, go to the File menu, click Save As, and choose where to save your screenshot. And that's all there is to it. You've just learned how to use the snipping tool to take a screenshot. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.